Welcome to Bhakta Taekwondo. Today we'll learn the basic Taekwondo kicks. In this video, focus on the proper technique and slow the video down if needed. You can also use the chapters below to jump to each individual kick. Lastly, practice this technique consistently.
Up Chagi, also called as back leg front kick. The key to this kick is control, proper chamber, and a strong ankle position.
To master this technique, follow these steps. Step 1, hand on the wall for balance. Step 2, chamber, meaning lift your knee high. Step 3, flex your ankle, toes pulled back. Step 4, extend the kick straight forward. Step 5, re-chamber, bring the knee back to the same height. Step 6, place the foot down in front and reset.
Let's look at the same technique from a different angle. Follow the same steps, but focus on these key points. Keep the knee chambered high. Maintain a strong ankle flex. Extend the kick with control. Make sure to re-chamber your kick. Drop the foot in front, then step back to reset.
Dollyo Chagi, back leg roundhouse kick. For a strong roundhouse kick, fully pivot your supporting foot. Keep your ankle flexed, rotate your hips sideways, and lean back slightly during the extension.
To master this technique, follow these steps. Step 1, place one hand on the wall for balance. Step 2, chamber, lift your knee high. Step 3, pivot your supporting foot fully backwards. Step 4, flex your ankle, toes pulled back. Step 5, make sure your knee pointing towards the target. Step 6, extend the kick. 7, re-chamber your leg and reset.
Let's look at the same technique from a different angle. Follow the same steps, but focus on these key points. Turn your supporting foot fully backwards. Keep your ankle flexed. Point your knee towards the target. Extend the kick with control, followed by re-chamber. Drop the kicking leg in front, then reset.
And Chagi, outside to inside crescent kick.
The key to this kick is a straight leg, strong hip lift, and a controlled outside to inside motion. Make sure the kick is high enough to target your opponent's head.
Back cut Chagi, inside to outside crescent kick.
The key to this kick is straight leg, strong hip opening, and a controlled inside to outside motion, high enough to target the head.
Yup Chagi, also known as cut kick, push kick, or side kick. For a proper Yup Chagi, turn the blade of the foot towards the target, push through the heel, and lean back on the extension.
To master the Yup Chagi, follow these steps. Step 1, place one hand on the wall for a support. Step 2, lift your knee up, sideways. Step 3, pivot your supporting foot fully backwards. Step 4, chamber tightly, keeping your knees sideways. Step 5, turn the blade of your foot towards the target. Step 6, extend the kick straight out. As you extend, lean your upper body slightly back and drive through the heel. Re-chamber your leg, drop it down, and reset.
Narae Chagi, axe kick.
This kicks require lifting your knee tightly to your chest extending the leg straight up and driving the heel downwards to strike the target.
Palit yell Dollyo Chagi, also known as skip step roundhouse.
Place 2 rings or 2 pieces of tape on the floor. The blue ring represents your back leg and the red ring represents your front leg. Start with 1 foot in each ring. The movement has 3 phases: lift, jump, and switch, followed by the kick.
Let's look at it from a different angle. Follow these steps. Step 1. Lift your back leg up slightly. Step 2. Jump and switch your leg into the red ring. Step 3. As soon as the switch happens, chamber the front leg into a Dollyo Chagi position. Step 4. Execute the Dollyo Chagi. Step 5. Rechamber and reset.
Double Dollyo Chagi, double roundhouse kick. This technique combines 2 roundhouse kicks with a fast jump switch in between.
Now, let's look at it from another angle. Notice the control after the first kick. Rechamber and keep the leg lifted. Explode into jump switch, and as soon as your feet lands, fire the second roundhouse immediately. The key is speed, balance, and fast transition between both kicks.
360 turn Dollyo Chagi, also called as 360 turning roundhouse kick.
Let's learn how to execute the kick. Begin by lifting your back knee up to the belt level. Keep the knee lifted as you rotate a full 360 degree. Complete the spin, then jump and switch. Finish executing the roundhouse kick with the opposite leg. This is called 360 turning Dollyo Chagi.
Do it Chagi, also known as back kick.
The key to a strong back kick is spotting the target first, keeping a tight chamber, and driving straight back with the heel. Let's learn how to master your back kick technique. Step 1. Turn your body, look back over your shoulder. Step 2. Place your hands on the wall for support. Step 3. Chamber your knee high at your belt level. Step 4. Keep your shoulder facing backwards. Do not let them rotate open. Step 5. Extend the leg straight back, striking with the heel. Step 6. Rechamber your leg. Step 7. Drop your leg in front and reset.
Huryeo Chagi, also known as spinning hook kick.
Let's learn how to master this kick technique. Step 1. Turn your body and place your hands on the wall for support. Step 2. Lift your knee up to the belt level. Step 3. Extend your leg straight out from the chamber and point your toes outwards. Step 4. Let your leg reach towards the target, then bring it back across in a big hook shape, striking with your heel. Step 5. Drop your leg down and reset.